Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode 243 of Trading Talks. For this week's episode, I'm going to show you a system that took some great trades during the Bitcoin crash and how the majority of the system is based around money management, not just the entry reasons. As the system itself is very big and complex with loads of calculations, I'll be building it over multiple episodes and explaining each section as I go. Now for the exciting news you've been waiting for. I can officially announce our third speaker for the 2022 Algo Trading Conference is renowned hedge fund founder, Christina Chi. Christina's fund, Domeyard LP, traded up to 7.1 billion USD per day, and we're very excited to have her present one of the strategies she has created for her fund. Combine this with a portfolio-based equities day trading strategy from Nick Raj and 4 very different strategies from Johan Lotter. Attendees for this year's conference are in for 6 models to learn and take home on the day. What an event. Make sure you take advantage of the opportunity to learn from 3 of the world's best and contact us to get your tickets for this year's conference. I hope you enjoy episode 243 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.